going on? Back on the WaveBlaster. This video we're going to attempt, I've never done it, but I'm going to go ahead and try to pull this jet pump. We got to get the different impeller, so that's what we're going to try to do in this video. So hopefully it works out good and we don't break anything and we keep from losing the pressure whenever we kind of spin it around and get some more speed out of it. So let's get taking this thing apart. First, you're going to take the ride plate off, get that out of the way. Alright. We'll disconnect some of this, the steering line. Alright, so I've done a little quick disconnect, get that loose. Now we got to get all these hoses off of here. There we go. There's that one.
He's saying it's his fault.
Alright, I got all 4 of the bolts on the pump, and as far as I know, it should just slide right out. Oh yeah, there's the shaft. There we go. That's what you got once you pull that out. As you can see, this thing is pretty scarred up in there. So yeah, that would be one of the main reasons I was losing all that pressure. We're going to end up changing this as well, so yep, let's get that knocked out. Get that shaft off of there. I mean that shaft. That gasket off of there. Still looks good. It's not broken or anything. Everything should still be pretty good under here. Yeah. There's a piece of something right there. Not sure what that is. If there's supposed to be something even bigger around it, that I don't know. I'm gonna clean up in here a little bit while all this is out of the way. But that's how you pull it. Those 4 bolts up there, disconnecting the hoses and the steering cable, and then it just pulls right out. So, heck yeah.